Hello everyone. I am recording this at 10 p.m. in the night and it's raining here. You could imagine rain and the connection of rain with feelings is most important thing. I'll be sharing a thought, a insight actually about feelings. It could be related to your work, your thing which you love the most, a person, emotion, anything. So here, as of now, when I am standing in the rain, what I feel inside is it's so beautiful. When you just complete, so beautiful is not just having a great thought, having a great emotion. Beautiful is also when you complete something which you wanted. So it could be anything. It could be your own imagination for the day that you wanted to do this and you wanted to achieve this and you've done it by the end of the day. This is again a feeling, and it also gives an amazing imagination to think ahead. So that's how people gets motivated, and that's how feeling gets related to other things, and it's interlinked because somehow this rain is connecting me to my own voice, my own likes of my life, my own motto of learning everything. My day starts with learning. I learn a lot of things, apply them, and try to share which is possible to my listeners, to my audience, to my Insta family, to all of those whom it could be possibly benefiting. If it is one person also I am benefiting, I am great. My feeling is great. So that's how feeling is connected. Rain is another second feeling which I am getting right now. I feel like singing and I am doing it with my guitar. So just work on your feelings and you get things which is, dearest to you, sweetest to you, and that keeps you motivated. You should not do anything which is not keeping you motivated. Always do things which you like to do. That's how people say in 12th class, you sometimes are forced to do something, let's say in terms of subject, in terms of any college, in terms of any course. So now the time has changed. People are actually thinking beyond just doing this and that. So now you actually go ahead and think of, if I want to do this, if I am interested in singing, I'll be doing something related to that genre, which is giving me love, which is giving me that feeling of doing it. So if I'm related to become a scientist, and I'm really working on it and I love doing that, so I will do that. So there's no harm in following something which you like, because that is the only emotion which is positive, which is very positive, and which gives you your inner strength. So you don't have to actually worry that what do I do and what do I not, because it's your inner strength which always allows you to be motivated, be happy, rather being sad of anything which you don't like to do and you're still doing it. So it's called forcing. You cannot force your inner self and also love that work. So it's always interlinked. So my feeling for rain, for all this windy air is just amazing. That is why I'm sharing it with you. Hope you also follow your feelings through what you like. And obviously, a last very, very, very thank you to Spotify, to Anchor, to Headliner, providing me this platform to spread my podcast, my feelings to my listeners, my family members. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for listening this. Do like, follow, share if you think I am sharing the valuable thing with you and it can help anyone later on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe afterwards. Thank you so much. Means a lot that you guys are liking my content, liking my ideas, liking my feelings. Do follow your one and just love your life. Thank you.